Yeah, Floppy pan. I went to Gully looking for green pastures. Yeah, take a minute get to work for Timbaland. Long distance love, but was strong. Ngizobuya, December. I went to Gully looking for green pastures, searching for a better future, standing on my own. Yeah, late nights in the city, but I'm thinking about you. Even miles apart, my heart still belongs to you. Hey. Zaefika majongo bachele ukuthi wena ukomele kwamafu ako competition. Ngizohlala nawe noma kukuhle noma kukubi, ngithembela kuwe ngoba uyisithando sami. Video calls at night bona buso bakho, to the screen kodwa ngizwa uthando lakho. Baningi abafika empilweni yami kodwa kabafiki kuwe wena uphezulu ja. Uyawugeza umoya wami uphakela inhliziyo kula kwayo. Your backside shaped like the letter C, so beautiful, baby. Onguzela komalume bakho lotholwa ngezikaki. Before isikomo zishayiwe ziphela mfuna wakwenza. Ngizobuya December, make it away from me. Yeah, distance can't stop what's meant to be. Ngidlisiwe thandweni lakho, kuwe wedwa enhlisweni. Yeah, give me kiss, give me try. Hold me close, don't let go. Yeah, umhlaba wonke mawuzwe manje. Umnongo wami forevermore. Hey girl, my man, December coming my way. Yeah, Ngizobuya baby way. Kube kuya ngami ngabe ngihlalela nawe njalo. Oh yeah. Sometimes I run out of words when chatting to you. Yeah, when you say I miss you, yaphelelwa amandla, but ngiyachela baby. Ngizobuya ngithathe, counting days till December rise. Airport run ngikubambe tight. No more texting, I miss you. Ngikubona face to face, it's overdue. Ngizokuthanda ngithumela bakhona, omalubezekini respect and honor. Umndeni ufune slow besitsha, Angel lover sibophi findo ngokwe green soul. Every night ngilalela voice note yakho. It calms my soul, ngiyalala kahle. Yeah. They say long distance ayisebenzi, but they don't know what we building. Bazokhuluma non-talk, but anginandana. Ngizobuya December, trust me, mina nawe forever. No maybe I went to Gully looking for green pines, yeah. But your love found me, yeah. Ngidlisiwe thandweni lakho, Ngizobuya December, ngithumela bakhongi silver night. Floppy and Timbaland forever.